everyone, it's Fabric February here, and we have missed you guys so much.
And we're so excited to tell you that we are going to be back next year on February 6th, 2025.
Woo! And of course, we're not just doing one day. We have to grow bigger and better, so we will be back for multiple days. And it's not just the three of us. We have a special guest here today.
Yo, what's up, everyone?
Oh, it's so great to see you, Adam. We are super excited to have you back in Oslo with us in 2025. But we are missing someone here, aren't we?
We are. Patrick wishes he could be here, but he's traveling. But I think he's here in spirit, right?
I think so too.
There you go. And yeah, we're excited about Fabric February. It was an amazing event. There were tons of people there. I just can't wait to see everyone there. It blew my mind last year. It was seriously bananas. And we want to come back to meet everyone and to enjoy just the great conference and looking forward to all the snacks. We're going to be doing a precon and then participating in the main event as well.
This is bananas.
And, you know, that's we can't wait to see everyone. It was so exciting. We bought all of this cold weather gear last year, and I have no use for it in Texas, so we've got to get our money's worth out of it. All right, we're going to go
The only reason. You have to come back.
That and the snacks. The snacks were amazing.
Well, we are super excited to see you back. And Emily, tickets!
Tickets are out. You can get your tickets right now in the link somewhere on the screen. We will also have a newsletter where you should sign up because there will be very important information getting out there.
It is going to be super exciting. We hope to see you there. Stay tuned for more news and updates. We have about 8 months to go, so we will make sure to keep you updated as we progress and make more plans. And we hope to see you in 2025, February 6th.
Bananas.
Save the date.
Yeah.
Great. See you there.
All right, so take 42.
They are somewhere. There is a URL somewhere that you need to just click on.
Go to that URL.
Yes. The main event is on February 6th. February 6th, that's a good one.
Snacks were amazing.
I think snacks will be a big focus this year as well.
Yes.
For sure.
They were amazing.
Yeah. Should we start over?
Wait, no, I'm doing
And Martha was like,
Let's continue now in the link somewhere on the screen.
Yeah. Oh my God, this is so hot. This?
outtakes.